Hey, today, Saturday, I go Panchakayan with P-Boy and Nong Dany. Eh? It's Saturday, 19 December afternoon, huh? Oh. And we are at the Sinin bike shop. Oh. This is Dr. Sinin. Dr. Sini bike shop. Motakayan. And I am Daniel, and we are going with my sons. I'm happy. Now we are at Swanson, and today my son boy is coming with us. I'm happy, and Dany is happy because Dany can see how strong he is compared to his big brother. Just the fine beach of Swanson. Are you happy, Dany? Swanson is nice always. To fine beach here. Shade. Cool wind. Huh? Yeah, one lane. It's not the botanic garden. Small one, yeah, private one. Bungalows, but never nobody here, but they look nice. Massage your feet, your foot, your legs. You're shaking, huh? Now? Is it cold? Ding dong, Dany, huh? My son is crazy, huh? Hey. Oi, what's up? Hey, tired? I know, yeah? It is Hinsoi Namsai. Hinsai Namsoi. Dany! Yes. Dany, Tata! Okay, let's go to the swamps. Quickly, you must look right, huh, Dany? Now, tang sai. This is Chak Phong. Nice road here, huh, boy? Yeah, here is no noise, no traffic, silent. Countryside, huh? Yes, only farmers here. It's coming. Just arrived here. We arrived from the back. ฮะไปทางขวาHuh? No, no, not here. Why? Hey, we go to the swamps. This is not the swamp. This is just a reservoir. Oh yeah, maybe it's a buffalo here. No? Hey, come. Yeah, this the female's okay. Wait. Wait. Oi. Which way? Sit down, Dany. We make a break here.
แล้วเนี่ยสามอ่ะ
Nice here, huh?
ในมุมที่วาดรูปมันอยู่ในกล่อง
ยิ่งตัวเล็กพิษยิ่งเยอะยิ่งตัวใหญ่พิษยิ่งน้อยนะ
ก็งูเราไม่เคยเล่นงู
The swamps.
ตัวใหญ่มีพิษปะล่ะงูเหลือมเนี่ยมันไม่มีพิษหรอกมันรักอย่างเดียวนะน้ำชาอร่อยอ่ะน้ำชาเป็นอะไร
แล้วนี่เคยเล่นงูดิ
ไอ้นกตัวนั้นไม่ไปไหนได้มั้งมันยืน
Long point.
นี่เคยเล่นงูดิ
ไม่อร่อยไม่อร่อยนะวัดทำไมวัดตรงไปเลย
There's a dam here. Never seen this dam before.
ตรงไปเลยนะ
Yeah. Oh, Sai. Hey. Oh. Be careful, Dany, huh, Sai? Have many sand, a lot of sand. Sand is like snow, huh? Wait, what's this? Oh, top. All right.
ชอบขี่ปาดไปปาดมาชอบขี่ปาดไปปาดมา
เฮ้ยอยากขี่ตรงที่มีหลุมเนี่ย
เฮ้ย
อยากขี่ตรงที่มีหลุม
ขี่มาตรงนี้
มีหลุมแล้วก็มี
จะเอาแบบนี้มองใจปีบาททำอะไรไม่รู้ว่า
Wait. Oh, your seat is again falling down, huh? That's right. Come, we must see your seat. Come, we must fix it. ดานี่ทำอะไร ดานี่ติงต้องเหรอ I'm talking, don't fall down. Already 6 o'clock and it's sunset and it's getting dark. In 10-15 minutes it's dark. It was a nice afternoon again. Not yet. Nice sunset, nice red sky. Beautiful. Sẽ mất lâu đàn gì hả nơi mai? Nice road, huh? But mud, huh? Be careful the holes, Dany, huh? You cannot see well, huh?